Welcome to this special edition Star Wars Yoga Adventure. This episode is a sound meditation based on the Star Wars sound effects. And we got Master Oliver, who's up there in the cloud for this one. And he's going to give us some of his best sound effects so we know how to do it. And you're welcome to join in, or you can just notice the sound come and go. See if you can work out what character or what thing it is from Star Wars. Okay. So let's start. So sitting in a nice meditative position. So the back nice and upright and the legs uncrossed. You're sitting on a chair or cross-legged on the floor. And take a nice deep breath in and breathe out. So on the next inhale, just scan the body from the head all the way down to the toes. When you get to the toes, just wiggle the toes. And now just check in with the mind, the Jedi mind, and just note what's there. No right or wrong, just what is. And then put any worries or concerns aside and get ready as we set our intention on this sound meditation to calm the body and the mind. Taking a deep breath in and breathing out. So as we do each sound, just get present to the sound coming in, the sound going. Okay, so the first one, over to Master Oliver to demonstrate the first one.
Our first sound is
So now get present to that sound. I want to give it a go. I'm going to play sound again. Okay, take a deep breath in. And breathe out after the meditation. If you know, concentrate on the sounds. And so afterwards, after the meditation, you can put this, what you think the sounds are, in the comments below. Over to Master Oliver for sound effect 2.
sound effect 2 is
so just notice the sound come and go. Now on to sound effect 3, Master Oliver.
Sound effect 3 is
So notice it come and go. Take a deep breath in and breathe out.
sound effect 4 is oh di Barakun. Again. Oh di Barakun.
Rgui o di barahunde. Rgui o di barahunde.
Sound effect 5, Master Oliver.
Sound effect 5 is
Take a deep breath in and breathe out.
sound effect 6 is again.
Take a deep breath in and out. Over to Master Oliver for a final sound effect.
This is sound effect 7, which is
Take a deep breath in and breathe out. over to Master Oliver, who's actually met Yoda himself.
God, I thought there was no more sound effects.
There isn't. There isn't. Do you want to say something from Yoda or not? Can you do Yoda?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Give it a go.
Should I go do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Yoda. May the force be with you. Do or do not. There is still try.
Mm. Mm. So now taking a deep breath in and breathe out. Of the chest. May the force be with you.
May the force be with you.